Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. As you know that in my ninth lecture, I've been told you about summer house. What happened in summer house? After all, how Rosendal come back to Ruritania Strelsa. And I have been told you about two letters by Lady Maban. One was direction to Rosendal and its safety, and the second was about Flavia, and she has mentioned, please be careful, Flavia, about the clutches hand of Black Michael. Now I would like to tell you about the real king. In my lecture number 10, I will tell you, my dear student, the man who was a Rodolphe Albert, he was a real king, the real inheritance, a real blood. From the study of novel, the real king is captured. As I have been told you many times, the real king is kidnapped by Michael of Man. It was a doubt and uncertain. No one was known that who's behind. In this lecture, I will tell you where is the real king, where he is kidnapped, where he is placed. So, the secret of prisoner. The secret of prisoner, today I will disclose. And who told us, I will tell you. This is Johann. Johann is an informer of Black Michael. Johann, as you know, Johann, when Rosendal was coming from the frontiers and coming from the custom house offices, the one man was looking continuously, that was Johann. There are two people who are loyal with Black Michael, Johann's mother and Johann. Now you got my point. These two MCQs are two very important MCQs. One, Johann's mother, she is also informer of Black Michael. This is Black Michael, and one is Johann. He is also informer to Black Michael. Very trustworthy servant. Okay. Dear student, what is the role of Johann? I tell you something in a broad way. My dear student, if you know, when Mr. Rosendal come in frontier, there was one hotel. Inn. The name was Inn of hotel, innkeeper, where people sit there and share some drink and something else. And one lady was, actually I told you, one lady, she has two daughters. The lady was hoping that my two daughters will select to Black Michael because he's very politician, very famous and very popular. But the two daughters says they were so buxom cheeks and very handsome and cute, they deny. This is no. We don't like Black Michael. We like the red cheeks. You know who has red cheeks? Rodolphe Albert. He is the real king. Same red cheeks has Rodolphe Rosendal. So they are being called twin. Rodolphe Rosendal and Rodolphe Albert, my dear student. Please listen my lecture very carefully. What I am saying to you. You people don't listen my lecture carefully. As I clear all the characters easily, that you understand well. Okay. Now the lady says to doctor says, sorry, we like the red cheeks, blue eyes and red hairs. This is a royal family. They deny. Among one daughter, Johann loved them. Among one daughter, Johann, he is the trustworthy servant of Black Michael. He loves them. I have been loved one daughter of lady. She was the owner of innkeeper. Now, what is the plot? What I'm telling you? I am telling you the secret of prisoner. The Rodolphe Albert, it was disclosed. Rosendal, with his power of communication, with his conversation, with his brave and great mind, he captured, he discussed with Johann, and Colonel Sept captured him. Captured Johann. Who? Colonel Sept captured Johann. And they says, please tell us where is the king. Our king, Rodolphe Albert, is prisoner. But for the first instance, my dear, he was avoiding. He was avoiding. He says, I don't know where's the king. When Mr. Zendel and Concept offered him, demand him, said him that you don't worry, we give you such a handsome amount, bribe, that you will live easily in your whole life. One option. Second, we give you such a bright future, in Ruritania. You will pass your life in a luxurious style, and you don't have such a intention. Nobody will irritate you, nobody will harass you. If you are agree with two options, one, such a handsome amount, you enjoy your life. Second, a bright future. My dear student, if you see today's life, everyone is serving that someone give me handsome amount, handsome salary, such a bright future, that I can enjoy my life easily. So the money is power, the dollar is power. Dollars speak, money speak. The people can dance. So the Johann can dance, but the Sept Zendel force him, converse him. He says, okay, yes, I do. He says, the real king Rudolf Albert is captured in Zenda, 10 miles away from frontier and 50 miles from Strelsa. It became very shocked. He says, the Michael's men are guarding their bodyguard around the castle. This is the castle. Zenda is the own property of Black Michael. My dear student, listen. Zenda is the own property. It was given by the real king to Black Michael as a gift. So the Zenda, he is the owner of Zenda. Michael is the Duke of Strelsa. He is a Nawab, Duke of Strelsa, and he is the owner. Zenda is the own property of Michael. So his 6 personal bodyguard are guarding to Mr. Rudolf Albert. Now the plot become disclosed. Who told us? This is the proper excuse. Johann was the person, Johann was the informer who told us that Black Michael has kidnapped the real king from the help of his own 6 personal bodyguard. My dear student, now the plot become disclosed where the king is captured. Michael and his personal bodyguard has captured Rudolf Albert. My dear student, now it is all Johann appreciated and accepted the demands by Rudolf Zendel and Colonel Sepp. Now, what was the plan? Many things told to Johann, to Mr. Zendel and Mr. Colonel Sepp, that you plan a commando action to liberate the king. I will tell you in my coming lecture, my dear student. Commando action means army will launch, army will attack some battalion, some people. So in the last my lecture, I will tell you how the king was liberated, how the king was freed from the hands of Michael. So in this lecture, my dear student, you must understand what I told you. The secret of prisoner, where the king Rudolf is captured in Zenda. The prisoner of Zenda, we always say, the prisoner of Zenda, Zenda ka Kedi. You got, where is the Kedi? Where is the Zenda? Rudolf Albert is prisoner in Zenda. Zenda is own property of Black Michael, where 6 personal bodyguards are guarding around the castle. You say castle or castle, is up to you. There are 2 pronunciations. Castle, it's up to you. Now, who was the man, who was the person who told us where the king is reside? Johann. Johann is a trustworthy servant of Black Michael. Who captured? Colonel Sepp captured. And who was the man to disclose the situation or story? Rudolf Zendel, with his power of conversation. He forced him, discussed him, conversed him, and he told where the king is reside. How he become happy, how he become angry, because Mr. Zendel and Colonel Sepp offered him such a handsome amount and a bright future. So my dear student, you must understand, bright future and handsome amount, everyone should be happy. There should be will, show his willings that I will do something because of handsome amount and handsome salary. And what was the next plan? When it was disclosed, it was disclosed that The real thing is captured in the hands of Michael. Now, our last thing was commando action, the plan of commando action. My dear, listen, means army will attack and it will take real king safely to Ruritania. He was a real king and he will come safely to join his kingdom. So now I hope you must understand what I told you, my dear student. You only try to understand what I'm saying. You listen my lecture carefully. If you listen attentively, you will understand what happened in President Zenda. Who captured Black Michael, who told Johan, the trustworthy servant of Black Michael, who focused, who discussed Rosendal, and who captured Colonel Sept to Johan. And what a secret, because he was loving to lady of innkeeper who has two daughters, among one he loved. Okay, so it was a secret. If someone told the princess that he is doing such a wrong thing to interfere the lady or a girl, maybe he should put into jail. So they offered him handsome amount and good bright future. So this was the plan. Now in my 10th lecture, it is a plan to take on Zenda, to liberate, to free, to release our real king. I hope, my dear student, you must understand that what I am telling you, what I'm delivering my lecture. Inshallah, in my 11th lecture, I will tell you ahead planned by Sept, Fritz and Zendel, how they will liberate the king, Rudolf Albert. Inshallah, I say thank you, my dear student, and inshallah you will enjoy my lecture. Allah Hafiz.